The show starts in 3, 2, 1.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to your channel. Yes, I say your channel. This is American Rodder, and this channel was created for you, the car enthusiast. My name is Solon, and tonight I get to bring to you 10 more buy and drive classic collector cars that are cheap. And when I say cheap, I say under $10,000, starting around $5,000. I firmly believe you're going to enjoy this video. But remember to hit that like, subscribe, and share button, and be sure to turn on that notification bell so you'll get notification about some very soon upcoming videos that we're going to be having. Also, all the cars in the video tonight, their links to where they can be found at is in the video's description. Go to the video's title, click on it, the description will pop up, and then just scroll down and you'll have the links to these cars. Now, tonight's commentary question is this: what is your car collector preference? Would you rather have a daily driver or a show only car? Nothing wrong with either one. Just thought I'd see what you guys like. Kind of be fun. Leave your answer in the comment section below and we'll see what everybody likes. Now, let's get Hot Rod Haley to get us started off on the countdown, and let's get into the video.
1.
1975 Chevy Vega Pro Street build, listed for $8,500 in Carrollton, Georgia. Now, the seller does not list the mileage on this car, but he does list that it has an exterior color that is black and the interior color is gray. It has automatic transmission, and he said this is a fast, fun car to drive. Seller says the motor was rebuilt, but he does not have all the specs on it. However, you can come and listen to it and look it over. Seller does note that it has dome pistons and Motown 220 heads with a 4-bolt main. It has a new roll cage and a new fuel cell. Seller says he will look at all offers toward trade on the $8,500 or best offer on cash.
2.
Okay guys, this is a really sweet ride. A 1967 Chrysler 300 listed for $7,500 in Asheboro, North Carolina. The seller lists this as having 67,000 miles since its engine's rebuild. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is off-white and the interior color is black. Seller's description is as follows: he doesn't really need to sell this car, but he does not have the time for it like he had hoped for. He says it runs good, it's got new tires, new radiator, and new gas tank. The trunk needs a floor, but other than that, the car is solid with a super straight body that needs only very minor body work. Original interior, which includes factory bucket seats and console. The glass is good, has a 440 big block engine with a 727 transmission. Seller says he drives it every now and then he takes it to shows. It's definitely a head turner. He'll only trade for a gooseneck trailer or best offer on the $7,500 cash.
3,
1948 Pontiac Coupe for $6,500, listed 2 weeks ago in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. The seller does not list the type of motor this vehicle has nor the mileage, but he does list it has an automatic transmission. The exterior color is turquoise, the interior color is black. The seller is the third owner of this vehicle. He says it's a cool project car. He has no time for it. It does have a clean Florida title, and it is registered and runs and drives. 3-inch chop top, all body work and paint was finished not too long back. The interior needs to be completely finished out, and it has a new fuel cell in the trunk. So guys, if it's interested in a really good project car, I'd contact that seller and see what you can get this one for.
4,
1974 Plymouth Roadrunner, listed for $9,500 in Lancaster, South Carolina. The mileage is unlisted, but he does list that it has automatic transmission. The original exterior color was blue and the interior color is dark blue. Has a clean title, and this is the description which he supplies. 74 Roadrunner, this is a running and driving car. The body is in epoxy primer, needs very little completion to paint. Originally blue with white stripe. Has a 318 with air conditioning. All original car with original interior. Primer is over bare metal and the original paint. It has never been wrecked or painted. $9,500 cash or best offer. No trades. He's got too many projects already.
5,
1948 Willis Truck, listed in Quincy, Illinois for $8,100. Now this vehicle's been driven 60,000 miles since its rebuild. Has manual transmission. The exterior color is orange, and it comes with a clean title. Seller says that the truck has the original motor and drivetrain. It has had a fairly new custom flatbed built on the back. A great truck for hunters or help on the farm, or just to kick around in. Many new parts have been added to this vehicle. A fun little truck that runs and drives great. $8,100 or best offer.
6,
1948 Mercury Coupe, listed for $9,500 in Williston, Florida. This vehicle has been driven 69,996 original miles. It has a manual transmission. The exterior color is green and the interior color is red. Seller's description as follows. Original flathead V8 with 3 on the tree, a super straight body, a perfect start for a restoration. It runs and drives great and has all the glass plus chrome body trim is nice. Possible trade for another old car or truck or boat. No motorcycles, but he has a Florida title in his name and he has the car ready to give to a new owner who will love it as much as he does. $9,500 or best offer.
7,
Okay, I'm going to give this one my best deal of the night. It's a 1966 Plymouth Sport Fury, listed in Palm Harbor, Florida for $4,500. It's been driven 10,000 miles since the motor's rebuild. Has automatic transmission. Exterior is burgundy and the interior is black. This vehicle comes with a clean title. Seller's description as follows. 1966 Plymouth Sport Fury 2-door hardtop, V8 engine with automatic transmission, and original factory interior with bucket seats and console. The engine starts every time. Runs and drives great. The body has had an older restoration with some Bondo showing in some places along the roof base and the fender edges. Mustang wheels. Need someone to give it some TLC. A great starter rod. Can arrange to view the car. Please contact for further info.
8,
1971 Triumph TR6, located in Forsyth, Georgia for $8,500. Now the seller's description is as follows. Driven 79,555 miles originally. but a new motor has been recently installed with only 3,000 miles on it. The seller is the second owner and has owned the car since 1974. Has a manual transmission, the exterior color is burgundy, and the original interior is burgundy and black. He says it's a fun little car, runs and drives great, wants $8,500 or best offer.
9,
1961 Nash Metropolitan, listed 3 weeks ago in Knightstown, Indiana for $7,500. The seller lists this car as having 11,481 original miles. Yes, let me repeat that, 11,481 miles. Has a manual transmission, the exterior color is black and white, and the interior color is white. Has a clean title. The seller says that this 1961 Nash Metropolitan is an Arizona car. Garage kept over the years, very nice body and paint, original interior, runs and drives great, new tires, $7,500, firm and no trades, plus you get a free car cover. And guys, I definitely give this one my Editor's Choice Award.
ten,
And believe it or not, everybody, I found you a twofer offer. That's two vehicles for one, a 1965 and 1966 Ford Mustang, both for $8,000, listed 4 days ago in Slidell, Louisiana. One car is running and one is a donor car. The car that's running has been driven 70,000 miles since its engine rebuild, has automatic transmission, the exterior color is white, and the interior color is red. He is the second owner of this car and it has a clean title. The seller's description also includes the following: 1966 Mustang with a 289 engine with cam and headers, factory AC with original red interior that is good but does need some light repairs, runs and drives good. As a donor car, you will also receive a 1965 Mustang that has a straight 6 in it with a 3-speed. This 65 is strictly a donor car, but you get $8,000 firm for both cars. Well, there you have it, guys. If you get a good deal here, you get two Mustangs for the price of one, and I think for $8,000 you couldn't even buy an additional donor car to probably fix these up. Okay, we made it all the way through another 10 great deals on cars. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll receive notifications about the next upcoming video, which is going to be about more barn finds. And guys, I think I found some good ones for you. Until the next video, see you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you.